Titli's tiny tips.
This is a £5 pumpkin and I'm going to need a big knife. This is a big knife. I'm going to cut it in half. Now you want to scoop out with a spoon all this fibrous stuff and the seeds. Keep the seeds if you like and toast them. They're quite tasty. Now put half a pumpkin flat side down, take your big knife again and cut it in half. And then half again, mind your fingers. Then half again if you want to. Now the thinner you can get the wedges, the easier it will be to use a vegetable peeler, so here we go. That's much easier. There we are, simple. So from my £5 pumpkin I've got £3.5 of pumpkin flesh, enough for a good pie and a soup.